Welcome to our channel. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Sheikh Zayed Abu Dhabi International Airport. And ngayon, titignan natin kung open na yung gate ng flight natin going to Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Yung ano natin, yung check-in counter, nakalimutan ko kung anong gate. Gate 12. So tara na. So dito pala kailangan mag-online check-in muna kayo. Kahit pag hindi, bayad kayo ng para mga 150 dirham siya.
Dito raw kami kakain ng flow. Mura daw. Sabi ng ito yung kanilang mga pagkain dito.
You know,
What is this again, brother?
naan.
Naan?
Naan, yeah. See, what you will do, see, I show you, okay?
Okay.
So this one, naan, but you take video, okay?
Yeah.
We do like this, broke naan, into pieces, okay? How we usually eat this, like this, okay? And then you take piece of bread and put here like this, and you eat.
What is this? Yogurt?
Yogurt.
Oh, okay.
No.
Lamb.
What is on top? Beef?
Beef.
Beef. Oh.
Lamb.
Not lamb?
They have different ones. That is lamb. This is beef.
Oh, patay ka ngayon, Lawrence. Kumain dito.
Oh, this is your.
Yeah. Pag kumain pala
Give
dito,
your friend one spoon.
walang ano,
Okay, start.
walang
eating.
pinggan-pinggan. Wala ring serving spoon. Cowboy tayo dito. Dapat kanya-kanya pala. Ganito. Oh. See? Yan ang vlog nila. Oh, dahan-dahan, Lawrence. Dito sa Uzbekistan.
So, kukuha ka ng salad, tapos lalagyan mo kung nasaan yung tapat mo. Ito, tapat mo, kain mo.
Is it good?
Yeah. Good. Ito.
No, you should eat. Oh, brother. Oh.
Ay, brother.
You can eat.
Diretso.
Ganon.
Huwag mo daw ikat. Idiretso mo sa buhang.
No, this one meat. You need it.
Init daw, init.
Hot. No, it's okay.
What is this again?
Samsa.
Samsa.
Culture tradition dito. Pag kumain ka, bawal magtira.
Kapag may natira,
Malas daw.
hindi, kakainin ng...
Pinakabata.
Oh,
Sino
yun.
pinakabata sa grupo?
Oo, yan daw ang tradisyon nila. Dapat walang matira. Tapos,
America?
kusina nila ang lalaking kawali. Oh.
This is wedding pillow.
Ang laki.
That is
Oh, see that?
yeah. This is wedding pillow. And this is chokhana. It's called.
Milyonaryo tayo dito sa Uzbekistan. Dami. Check-in. Art-in hotel. Dito kami naka-check-in.